My video is about removing the fake human verification alerts which are associated with the website finbest.com. Finbest.com is a malicious website attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. Finbest.com tries to mislead people and to make them click on the allow button, supposedly to help them confirm that they are not robots. However, clicking on allow is dangerous. If you do that, your browser will be hijacked and infected. You will be then redirected to some other malicious sites of similar nature. On top of that, you will be receiving the great portion of advertisements that will keep attacking the screen in the right part of it. So you should deactivate these ads urgently. Otherwise, they will just keep distracting you a lot. Access the menu, settings, select privacy and security, then site settings. Go to permissions, choose notifications, and pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. When you find this finbest.com, you need to remove it from the list. And also don't hesitate to remove other junk sites from this list. After you do that, the trouble with these ads should be fixed. But I also recommend researching your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get its fresh version on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the application and begin researching your device with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.